Muling nagbabalik ang mga palaban sa kantahan dito sa Wild Card Edition ng The Clones, Cowboys of the Star.
Wild na to, wild na.
Oo, wild na to. Join na kayo sa kantahan. Open na ang
The
Wild kami ngayon.
Wild card. Walang wild.
I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied. I don't need you.
Ano, kaya ba?
I've got to break free.
Kamamara.
God knows. God knows I want to break free.
Hey. Sige.
I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love for the first time, and this time I know it's for real. I'm falling in love.
Yeah.
God knows. God knows I'm falling in love. God knows. God knows I'm falling in love. Ganda. No?
Taas ba? Mataas ba?
Sa taas.
Light lang.
Mga Damer Cats, welcome, welcome. Kasama natin sa kantahan ang Bingo Plus. Sa Bingo Plus, bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
Simulan na natin ang wild card na to. Ito na ang una nating clone.
Sino yan?
Ito, pasok.
They say that you and I are reaching far too high. We know our love is young. We've only just begun through the night. We hold each other tight forever. A love like yours and mine will stand the test of time. Like rivers to the sea, your love returns to me through the night. We hold each other tight forever. I'll be yours forever. To feel my life, to stand beside me. I will be the one you run to. You can depend on me. Forever, I'll be yours forever. You're mine forever. I'll be yours forever. You're mine forever.
Rex Smith.
Thank you.
Hello po.
Alan Urbis
Alan
Tondo
Urbis
ng Angeles, Pampanga.
Yes, galing pa ang Angeles. Bumati ka muna, shoutout ng mga taga-Angeles. Kabampangan, ha?
Opo, Maya Paldo po kaya kayungan, babagyuman po o ali at syuta mo po kening Itbulaga, Double Cats!
Anong sinabi mo?
Ito si Raisa
Umulan,
May.
umaraw, nandito pa rin tayo sa Itbulaga.
Yes. ang ganda
Tama ba yun,
pakinggan.
Raisa May?
Tama
Yung
po.
sinabi?
Hindi ka nga marunong.
Tama nga.
Ikaw nga, sige nga, shoutout ka nga.
Shoutout mga kabalen. Hello.
Oh, Tagalog.
Yun din yun eh.
Tagalog din eh.
Kapanapon kaya kayo nga, malago ko, di ba? Malago!
Yun ang naintindihan ko, maganda ako, di ba?
Opo.
No, malago ko, di ba?
Sumagot ba?
Opo daw.
Okay.
Ay, may mga kapampangan. Kumusta ka na, Alan?
Okay lang po. Actually, recovering po sa injuries ko.
Anong injury yan?
October 24, nagkaroon ako ng motorcycle accident.
Oh.
Opo, and then
Sumemplang.
self-accident po. Nag-slide ako during kasagsagan ng Typhoon Christine po yun.
Ba't ka naman kasi nang bumotor habang may
Ayun
bagyo?
po. Kasi kakagaling ko lang po mag-singer-host po nun.
Galing sa racket.
Opo,
Mag-ingat,
kailangan
ingat.
Kailangan
Ingat
So,
palagi.
feeling better na.
Okay na po yung 24 therapist ko. Waiting na lang po for re-evaluation na lang po sa doktor.
Okay. Very good. Good to hear that.
Yes po.
Kumusta naman? Ano naman ang feeling naman ngayon na nasa wild card?
I'm so blessed po. Marami pong salamat, Itbulaga. Salamat po sa pinaunlakan niyo po po ako for the third time around. Salamat po.
Malay mo, di ba?
Mapagbigay kami ng mga ganyan. Hindi ko masabi.
Baka mamala may ibang singer pa siyang nagagaya.
Feeling ko naman, kasi ang taas ng boses niya eh.
Sorry.
Sino pa ang kaya natin?
Last time po si Bruno Mars. Kaya lang po ngayon, back to old school po tayo.
Ngayon, Bruno Ponsalan.
Hindi. Si ano po, Dennis Diang ng Sticks po.
Sticks? Gusto ko
Opo.
yun, Sticks.
Opo.
Sige nga.
Thank you po. Thank you. What can I do? Pictures of you still make me cry. Trying to live without your love, it's so hard to do. Some nights I wake up, I look at your pillow, hoping that I'll see you there, but I get up each day. Not much to say, I've nowhere to go. Loneliness fills me up inside, 'cause I'm missing you. But you give us a chance to remember the love we had once together. Wait and see. Time is all that we really need. I pray you won't say no. I mean to tell you, don't let it end. Baby, we could have so much more, more. Don't let it end. Honey, please don't walk out that door. I'm telling you, baby, I made my mistakes, but I make you this promise to do what it takes. I'll be there to protect you, hold you tight. You got my loving, baby, every single night, and don't let it end. I'm begging you, don't let it end this way. Don't let it end. I'm begging you, don't let it end this way. Thank you.
Taas ng boses?
Ang
Grabe
husay.
naman. Nagbabanda ka ba sa Angeles?
Ang una ko pong trabaho talaga pianista.
Oh,
Opo.
so
And
pianist
then,
singer ka.
recently lang po, 2016 ako nag-front po talaga. As vocalist.
Okay.
9 years pa.
Hanggang ngayon may grupo ka.
Sequencer na lang po. Somewhere
Sequencer.
na Opo. Minsan nagpo-piano, pero nakakaya naman kay Sir Pedro baka.
Ay, ang husay ka ni Pedro.
So, ang
Nahiya
husay
nga
ni
siya.
Pedro. Nag-second voice siya kanina, narinig ko ang husay ni Pedro.
Ibahin mo si
Opo.
Pedro.
Iba
Lahat ng
yan.
kanta, alam niya.
So
Alam-
mamaya,
alamat-
ang
alamat na
showdown
po.
niya ay kayo at saka si Pedro.
Oo.
Mamaya.
Iyan, may request!
Yes, Mang Alan. Hi, Rubber Cats! Say ho! Magingay! Hello, mga mamis! Hello po. Sige, hanap muna tayo dito na. Ay, magandang tanghali. Ano pong pangalan nila?
I'm Claire po from Cavite.
Miss Claire. Kumakanta ba kayo, Miss Claire?
Hobby lang.
Hobby lang. Minsan yung hobby, di mo alam na mahusay ka
Oo.
pala talaga. Sige nga po, check natin. Bigyan niyo po kami ng isang awitin.
I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. Now make a wish, take a chance, make a change, and break away. Out of the darkness and into the sun. Though it's not easy to tell you goodbye. Take a risk, take a chance, make a change, and break away. Break away. And break away.
Oh,
Ganda!
Happy lang talaga.
happy nga lang. Pwede rin minsan ng hobby ang cooking, gano'n. Pwede din yun. Maganda rin yun. O dito pa, parang ano si Sir din. Sir! Hello po, ano hong pangalan nyo?
Hello po, I'm Alec. I'm from Iloilo po.
Ay, from Iloilo.
Oh, Ilonggo, ganito. Gano'n ka dito sa Manila to?
Nag-ano po, nag-start as a singer-songwriter po.
Wow!
Nakanta ka
Singer-songwriter na Ilonggo. Di kanta habi ang Iloilo, ang banwa ko.
Sige, try ko po. Ilo-ilo ang banwa kong ginahingadlan. Matamis na pulong ang akong matan. Dili ko ikaw bulakan, banwa kong nalulutan. Ikaw ang gitunaan, sang kauswagan.
Ilonggo, ako nga tunay, nga nagapuyo sa higad sang baybay. Manami magkiay-kiay sa tagipusoon, bugos nga kalipay.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Yung lapas batchoy, alam mo ba yun?
Lapas Batchoy, alam mo? Lapas Batchoy, pansit nga may sabaw. Totoo yun! Makakanan yun!
Seryoso. Gusto mo mo mag-request? Sa akin, gusto mo mag-request sa akin?
Sige, pwede ba?
Anong gusto mo? Sige.
Palagi po.
Palagi.
Ay, paano yan?
Sa huli,
Palagi.
Oh, porno eh.
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Sa huli, pipiliin kong mag-isyo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo. Iyo ako.
Naniniwala ba?
Santa Clara, Pinong-Pino. Okay, nahanap tayo ng mag Salamat, kuya, ha? Salamat po.
Salamat,
Hanap
Gil.
tayo ng mag Eto! Ay, ang ganda din ni ate. Hello po. Ano pong pangalan nila?
Altea po, from San Pablo, Laguna.
Huwag mo sabihin nakakakanta ka din.
Ay, hindi po.
Buti na lang. Kasi anong oras na? Anong song ang gusto mong i-request? Rex Smith.
You Take My Breath Away.
Ayun.
Take my breath away.
Kaya
Kaya
yun.
ni Alan.
Oo, sikat kayo yung Rex Smith yan. Go!
Favorite pa.
breath away. You're every song I sing. You're the music that I play. And you take my breath away. You smile and it's okay. You take my breath away, like water from a spring on a sizzling summer day. Oh, you take my breath away, and now I watch for the magic of the sunrise. Only none of them will do. You take my breath away, and I don't know what to say. 'Cause you take my breath away. You take my breath away.
Grabe. Ang taas nun ah. Ayun eh. Iyan! Hala, tulog na yata yung mga mag-jowa dyan.
Hindi, mukhang nangingibabaw ang pagmamahalan talaga nila.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Makalis, kapunta muna ako sa taas. Wait lang. So mukha naman nagustuhan mamahalan. Charot lang. Salamat po.
Thank you! Thank you very
Salamat.
much. And thank you din Alan
Thank you.
Obistondo ng
Thank you.
Angeles,
Yes.
Pampanga.
Kamalan.
Ang premyo naghihintay sa mananalong clone natin for today ay 20,000 pesos.
Meron naman 10,000 para sa hindi mananalo.
At may isa pa tayong clone pagdating sa kantahan. Ito pa.
Wild card.
Da-da. Wait. Whoa. Well, my friends, the time has come. Raise your roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play. Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. Come on, everybody. Come on. All night long. All night. All night. All night long. All night. All night. All night long. All night. All night. All night long. All night. Yeah. Once you get started, you can't sit down. Come join the party, it's a merry-go-round. Everyone dancing their troubles away. Come join our party, see how you play. Yeah, Jambulite Sentimoya. Yeah, Jambo, way to party, oh we going. Oh, Jambula, Jambulite Sentimoya. Yeah, Jambo. Oh, yeah. We gonna have a party, baby. All night long. All night. All night. All
Maraming salamat po.
Angeles, Pampanga din.
Opo.
Pareho kayong taga-Angeles.
Kaya nga po.
O si Alan, taga-Angeles din. Magkakilala kayo?
Hindi po. Ano, kumbaga, nakita na kami rito.
Dito lang kayo
Tala.
nagkita?
Yes.
Talaga? Hala. Baka akala ko kasi magkalaban yung pinagtatrabahuan nyo sa sa Angeles.
Dati po kayo talagang performer po talaga
Oo
kayo.
naman.
Yes. Yes.
O tapos, ano nang ginagawa mo ngayon?
Well, ano po, ang trabaho ko po kasi ngayon nasa virtual assistant po.
Ay,
Virtual
taray,
assistant.
May day job. Virtual assistant.
Sa work from home po.
Work from home.
Buti naman nakalabas ka ngayon sa bahay.
Ang galing din niya magsayaw-sayaw eh, no?
Oo, performer nga eh. May ano ba? May... Ikaw magsabi.
May iba pa po kayong ginagayang dancer.
Singer! Singer Pao!
Singer po.
May iba ba kayong ginagayang singer, sir?
Opo, pwede pong gayahin natin si Quincy Jones.
Oy,
Pareho talagang mga... Sige. Quincy Jones. Nagpasikat ng Just Once.
Yeah,
Go.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are, back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to be a stranger, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Come on, everybody, join me. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it around? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get to it, I know we could break through it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Quincy Jones.
galing, just once.
May request ang ating audience, Ian.
Yes, Pamala.
Request po ang audience.
Oh, Mother Group. Ayan, welcome po sa inyo. Okay, sino po gusto mag-request?
Uy, basahin mo naman yun, no? Tito Sen, congrats from Motherhood Group.
Pabasa nga. Ayan, Tito Sen, congrats from Motherhood of Calamba City. Ayan, okay, doon na tayo. Hello po. Ano pong pangalan?
Phoebe po. Phoebe po.
Phoebe. Si Phoebe eh, taga saan?
Valenzuela City po.
Valenzuela City. Nakakaawit ka din?
Sakto lang po.
Sakto lang. So first stanza lang talaga. Okay, sige. Subukan natin.
Chorus up.
Lapang.
How do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive?
What?
Ang husay niya, bossy.
Oo, ang
How do
galing.
I ever survive? Ay, sa pataas ako pababa. Ever survive? Ang husay. Gawa tayo ng grupo. Dalawa lang tayo. Grupo, dalawa lang tayo. Sige, mag-request ka na lang. Anong song ni Lionel Richie ang gusto mong i-request?
Yung isa po sa favorite ko, yung Penny Lover.
Penny,
Penny
Lover.
Lover. Kaya yun.
Kaya.
Oo. Sikat
Edwin
kay ano yun eh.
Aquino.
Sige na.
Lionel Richie. Yes.
Lionel Richie.
Go. The first time I saw you, oh, you look so fine. Now I had a feeling one day you'll be mine. Honey, you came along and captured my heart. Now my love is somewhere lost in your kiss. When I'm all alone, it's you that I miss. Girl, a love like yours, it's hard to resist. Whoa, whoa. We go. But I don't understand it. Oh, what's come over me? But I'm not gonna worry. No, not anymore. 'Cause when man's in love, he's only got one story. That's why my love is somewhere lost in your kiss. When I'm lost and alone, it's you that I miss. With a love like yours, it's hard to resist. Whoa, whoa. Come on, baby. Don't walk on by. Don't you make me cry, baby. Ooh. Walk on by. Open it, baby.
Yo. Natapos sa Pretty Baby. Ano sabi ni Pretty Baby, Ian?
Pretty baby, ano masasabi mo?
Sobrang galing po. Parang nakikinig lang po ako ng radyo.
Oo naman. Kumpara sa How Do I Live natin, di ba? Mas
Thank you.
Thank you, Pretty Baby.
Eto, showdown na, Ma'am Alan.
Tawagin na natin din si Alan.
Si Alan and Edwin, galingan ninyo dalawa dahil sa Grand Finals ang paglalabanan natin ay 300,000 pesos.
Magkakaroon pa siya ng chance na mag-set sa clowns. Ito ang magandang kakatahin nila. Sa gitna tayo, boys.
Yan.
Okay? Ito na, si Alan Orbistondo and Edwin Aquino. Parehong taga-Angeles. Okay? Good luck, my friend.
Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go and see.
I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain.
If I see you next to never,
how can we say
wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you.
whatever it takes? Oh, how my heart breaks. I will be right here waiting for you.
I wonder how we can survive this romance. But in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take a chance. Oh, can't you see it, baby?
You got me growing crazy.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for
waiting for you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alan Urbistondo ng Angeles, Pampanga, at Edwin Aquino ng Angeles, Pampanga din. Tito Sen.
Ito, Sen.
Hirap na hirap sila. Parehong magaling.
Oo nga.
Ayon sa inampalan, alamin natin sino ang panalo. The clone for today, the Clones Cowboys of the Star Semifinals Wild Card Edition winner for today is contestant number 1, Alan Orbistondo.
Sarado na ang Clones. Salamat sa mga nakasama nating mga singers.